my friends, today I'm gonna teach you how to crochet chain stitch. This is how the chain stitch looks like. Secure the tail of the yarn between your pinky and your ring finger. Put the yarn over your hook and pull through. Now you made your first chain stitch. Let's repeat and try once more. Place the yarn over your hook. Secure the tail of the yarn between your pinky and your ring finger. Put the yarn over your hook from behind and pull through. To get a good tension, I keep the yarn between my ring finger and my middle finger. And then I hug the yarn like this with my hand. Over and through. Over and through. Over and through. Congratulations, my friends! Now you have learned how to crochet chain stitch. Thank you for watching and happy green crocheting!